Hi, and welcome back to session 3 of the basics. As we build upon the skill of being with our thoughts and getting comfortable sitting with the mind, we are also learning how to relate to our thoughts as they appear in our mind. Imagine if you were sitting on the side of the road watching traffic go by. The cars are our thoughts and feelings, and some cars we want to chase after and others we want to avoid. Our job as we sit and watch is to simply allow the cars to come and go as they drive by and just observe the traffic. With meditation, we are practicing how to sit and be with our thoughts and feelings so we can create a greater sense of calm and clarity. So let's begin to settle in and bring that idea into our practice today. So just taking a moment to get comfortable. Sitting upright or lying down. Whatever feels best for you. And then begin to take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. On the next exhale, closing the eyes and just allowing the breath to return to its natural rhythm. Breathing in and out of the nose. Feeling the weight of the body press down into the surface beneath you. Noticing that sensation. Noticing the different points of contact your body is making with the chair or floor. Feeling the weight of your arms and legs as you begin to relax. Feet connected to the floor. Noticing any sounds that are present in your space, just allowing them to come and go. And remember, the mind will wander. So when it does, just guiding it back to the sounds in your space again. Begin to notice the body. And just take a moment here to notice how the body feels in this moment. Maybe there's a sense of heaviness or lightness. And as before, just begin to scan down, starting from the head, down to the toes. And just noticing, not changing anything. And when the mind begins to wander, allowing it, and then continuing to scan the body. Begin to notice the movement of the breath in the body, feeling that rising and falling sensation. And notice where you feel the breath and how you feel it. And now, begin to count the breaths as they pass by, remembering that idea of the traffic. Nothing to do, just sitting and watching the cars, the thoughts as they pass by. Noticing when you get distracted, and then guiding it back to the breath, noticing the breath moving in and out of the body. Noticing when the mind has wandered and just gently guiding it back to the breath, counting the breath, beginning at 1, ending at 10, and then starting all over again. And just for a moment now, letting go of that focus, letting go of the counting, not doing anything at all here, just allowing the mind to do what it wants to do. And now, guiding the attention back to the body, feeling the body making contact with the surface beneath you, feeling the weight of your arms and legs, inviting a gentle movement into your hands and your toes. And noticing any sounds that may be present in your space. Noticing any scents. And when you're ready, in your own time, slowly and gently opening the eyes. And just take a moment to notice your body and mind and how they feel in this moment. Can you sense a difference from today's practice? How was the traffic? Today's session was really about changing the way we relate to the cars on the road. So no matter how many thoughts arise, we can come back to that place of calm and come back to simply being on the side of the road, watching as the cars pass by. And not to worry if you were swept away by traffic. This takes time and practice. We'll continue with this technique and just allow our minds to unfold as they do, enjoying every step along the way. I look forward to seeing you in session 4.